training is ultimately one of the most important aspects of keeping our transportation systems safe.
You have industry here from all aspects, from manufacturing, shippers, distributors. You have the carriers here. You have attorneys here. You have PHMSA here. Everybody's here.
There's just so many different industries here, so it's definitely an eye-opener, and it's neat to hear the different stories and different issues.
So you realise that there's other people out there who have similar issues.
The competency-based training part was very helpful because that's such a huge push right now.
I also appreciate the updates, of course, on lithium batteries.
Certainly the Dangerous Goods Symposium, I think, is key to anyone who's trying to become more proficient in teaching hazardous materials transportation. No other organization or group really has put together this much focus specific to the needs of the instructors.
It has been wonderful. We have made some awesome connections, learned things.
I am gushing about this event. I've had such a great time.
I would recommend it to anyone in the dangerous goods industry for sure.
The best dangerous goods professionals in the business are here, and you'd be silly to not come and meet them.